My name is Tim Ladeed, and I'm a technical trainer for Polyglass USA. Today I would like to go over with you the proper installation of a 3-course repair. Some of you may find this mundane or even elementary, while others find this beneficial in helping extend the life of their repairs. Today we're going to be using our PG100 Quick Drying Asphalt Primer, our PG500 Premium SBS Cement, and our PP50 Premium Wet or Dry Cement, along with some asphalt coated cotton fabric. Okay, so you've accessed the roof and you located the deficiency. The deficiency in this case happens to be an open sideline. So first thing we will do is clean and prep the area to accept the new repair. So we're going to remove all the loose dirt, loose granules, and we're going to prime this with our asphalt, quick drying asphalt primer. You're going to apply this at a very thin rate so it dries fast for you. And you want to ensure total coverage to make sure that your new repair properly adheres. Now, Polyglass primer is not always required, but it is always recommended for proper adhesion. Now, in this situation, we've chosen to go with our modified cement, which is our PG500. We could have used our PP50 here with no problems, but we like to say that for our rainy day. That's our magic bucket on a rainy day. So, first thing I'd like for you to notice is how pliable and spreadable this PG500 is. You can see we have the seam prepped and primed and ready for the repair. The next step in this process is to add a little bit of our PG500 into the seam, into the lap of the seam. This will protect against water intrusion and give you an extra layer of defense. Now, the next thing we're going to do is install our first course of roof cement over this seam. You want to make sure that you keep this at a rate of about 1/4 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick. You want to make sure that you go out just past the width of your fabric. In this case, we're using 6 inches fabric, so we're going to put about 8-inch bed of cement down. I've pre-cut some of our reinforcing fabric. We're going to lay it into the first bed of cement, and we're going to trowel this in, making sure that the cement comes up through the fabric to get a nice bite to hold this repair in place. Once you get your fabric completely embedded into the roof cement, you can now add your final course of cement, again, at a rate of about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. You don't want to build this stuff up. You don't want to cause ponding water uphill. And a really thick repair can also decrease your elongation, making the repair crack over time. You want to trowel this in nice and flat and smooth like cake icing. Make sure that you can no longer see your reinforcing fabric. And then you'll need to install something to protect against UV. Now you can use ceramic granules like we're going to do here today, or you can wait for this to cure and you can install a reflective coating. Now you have your nice, smooth, buttered in repair that's not going to pond water. It's not going to stress crack because it's too thick. You have a nice 3-course application, but it needs UV protection. So we're going to install ceramic granules in what we like to call in the industry chicken feed fashion. But you want to make sure that you're getting total coverage. Granules like this does not give you protection. You need to ensure that you're totally covering your new repair and protecting it from the sun. So as we're installing the granules, we want to make sure that we're getting total coverage. And if you put them on a little heavy, you can even use your blower to blow them on down to this end here to ensure that you're covering this completely. Once you have this where all the dark spots are covered, the granules are going to stick and they'll adhere for a repair that's going to last for years to come. If you have any questions, please email them to technical@polyglass.com, or you can visit our website at www.polyglass.us for detailed drawings, product data sheets, or even installation videos. Again, my name is Tim Lathide with Polyglass, and thank you for your time.